We are making a HelloFresh meal. Today I chose Mexican cheese rice stuffed poblanos. So we'll see. I'm really interested to see how it goes. I'm not a huge spicy person. Basis of this is peppers. So we'll see how it goes. But we're gonna check it out. This will be me cooking my meal, and then I'll show you guys at the end how it goes. Please like this video if you like this video. If you want to subscribe to see more content, that would be amazing. Like, this pepper is showing me its life. I know that sounds crazy, but it's heart. Vein, heart. Like, this is the thing that was well and alive. And now nourishing me, so thank you to the earth. First step, cut the peppers in half. I just recently bought sunflower and olive oil in my mix, and I've been really enjoying it. I'm adding some turmeric, some lemon pepper, and some black pepper too. One thing though that I do want to know is that HelloFresh didn't actually send me the recipes. Well, I'm actually not sure what happened because I didn't get the recipes. They did send me a Red Bull in exchange. But it was still disappointing that I didn't get the recipes because I just like holding it in my hand. But I've gotten quite a few HelloFresh orders in the last year or two, and I really enjoy them. I do thoroughly enjoy this process, and like the way that they package. I love that everything comes separated by meals, so the ingredients are all in the one specific bag. I've done some others where they just send you a big box of all the ingredients, and like in their respect, I do understand that they're like saving paper, which I appreciate, but I do also appreciate like the convenience of just like having it organized in its stack. So it's really cool. I've enjoyed basically every HelloFresh meal. Some of them have been a little bland, but I'm also Hispanic and like if there are seasoning, you know, so. I've really enjoyed it. So overall, I'd say HelloFresh is a go for me. Yeah, I mean, everyone's experience is different. So thank you for tuning in. And yeah, I'll be seeing you in cuties. Have a good day, guys.